Hey, my name is Jeff and I invented YOX, and what we're going to talk about right now is how to connect YOX links to YOX links. Now the first thing you need to remember is that the first rule of YOX is that there are no rules. You can do whatever you want with YOX. You might invent completely different ways for them to connect. What I'm going to talk about right now is how to connect using these slots. So YOX links have slots, and these short slots you can use to connect to each other. And you'll find that if you push it hard, it clicks. And that means you're going to have a really nice, strong connection for these two slots. You can also connect it any way you want on the sides. So this slot will connect to the sides like that. And that works for all of the links. So you connect a Y and a beam, and you can connect an X to an X using those short slots. Now the thing about X's and X's is that they also have long slots. And if you use those, you can make this shape. And what's interesting about that is it's going to allow you to build things in all different directions. It's also going to allow you to connect O's. And when you connect an O, it'll snap on and spin. Now here's a pro tip. There are two different ways to connect an O to two X's. One is that way and it spins. If you flip it around and do it the other way, you're going to discover it's a little harder to get on, and then it doesn't spin. So that if you want to build something that you don't want it to spin, just flip the O around. If you want it to spin, flip it around, snap it on, and it spins. So those are the main ways that you can connect YOX links to YOX links. So there's only one other question that I have. Have you ever been trapped in a fishbowl?
This is YOX.